Oh, Apollo vehicle collector system. Let me see. Oh. What the fuck is that? Vehicle collecting system. Oh, they must test it for Apollo. In a zero gravity plane. Ah well, then you have like 25 seconds to take off your spacesuit, your undergarment. Let me see. Oh yeah, you need help for strapping in. Yeah, push him down. Oh, there was a break. Okay, let's continue with the next parabole. Yeah, hold him down. Otherwise he's going to float away. Oh! Now he put something on his wiener. For urinating. Don't peek, piece of shit. Don't look to his dick. Are you urinating? Oh. You were saying your ass is not good on the space toilet. Yeah, point him out. Because he's not pooping in the hole. Yeah! Oh, this one is all chunky. Maybe he ate a lot of peanuts last night. So now show us how you wipe your ass. Oh, you're not done yet. Jeez. Looks like a snake. What did you eat last night? Jeez, that must be astronaut food. Don't get up yet. I bet there is more poop coming. Damn, you take a long shit, my friend. Jeez. Oh no, not again. Jeez. That's like 2 pounds in total. Oh look, this one floats. It's 0G. Hurry man. 3 people are waiting. Oh. Oh no. Oh, that looks like a boa constrictor. Kill it! Kill it! Jeez. Oh. Zero gravity. It's a floater, people. Oh, it comes down again. Are you pointing out the size of your turd? Take the hanky, man. Just one? What if you have diarrhea in space? Then you need 2 rolls? I still see it crawl. Oh, here's the toilet paper. Watch out. This turd can bite in your hand, man. Oh. This is how we do it. Where is your shit? So your shit is going to float, imbecile. Oh look. Yeah, take it with your hand. No problem. You have to just shit it in it. Alright, go wash your hand, man. What are you doing? Keep it straight. His diarrhea is going to float out, imbeciles. And I guess this is not 0G anymore. How do you do that in 0G? Why don't you shit in that bag in the first instance, idiot? What are you doing? Are you digging a hole or so? What is he doing? Watch out, man. The shit is gonna go up. Float. No, Zero G? What kind of space toilet is this? Look. Oh my god. 3 astronauts just shitted on here, you idiot. And now you put your whole head in the toilet. Oh look. Yeah. We put a strap inside. So the next guy that come after you have all shitty straps. Oh yeah, touch everything. Looks like those idiots on the ISS. They touched the whole toilet. Apollo program. Lunar module of mock-up. Yeah, you mock us all the time. Put on your coat. It's cold on the moon. Oh, those are micro meteorite suits.
And a thermal micrometeoroid protection garment.
Yeah, those are very important on the moon. You never know. You can't get hit. Now they're going to the ladder. This is the exit or the door to the ladder. And then they step on the moon. Yeah, hurry! Can you find the ladder with your feet? Look at this crap! Hurry, man! You're wasting all your oxygen! Look like a sardine in a can! It's already time to go home. You spent all your oxygen. So, maybe you need smaller astronauts.
Move out of the way. Let me try it.
Oh. I want to see how you exit that little door. And now you're undressing from your micrometeorite suit. Oh, look at you. You're not being bombarded with micrometeorites. Pieces of shit.
Two spacecraft in the orbiting Solar Observatory series are studying the Sun and its influence on the Earth. The Sun is the nearest star to our planet and the only one we can study in detail. Here's an ultraviolet view as never before seen.